California is locked in a relentless train of winter storms, turning what should have been a festive New Year period into days of anxiety, flooding, and dangerous travel across the state. A powerful system has already dumped soaking rain over Southern California, triggering evacuation warnings in parts of Los Angeles County as officials fear a repeat of the recent Christmas week storm that unleashed destructive debris flows and flash flooding. In San Diego, major arteries like Interstates 5 and 8 have seen cars stranded in rising water, forcing swift water rescue teams to pull people from flooded vehicles and reminding residents how just a small depth of fast-moving water can become life-threatening. Farther north, scenes of water spilling over onto the iconic Pacific Coast Highway and Huntington Beach illustrate how coastal communities are also struggling to cope as runoff overwhelms drainage systems and low-lying roads. Forecasters warn that this is only the beginning, with an atmospheric river, fueled storm expected to arrive late Friday into Saturday, followed by 2 more potent systems on Sunday, and then Monday into Tuesday, forming a conga line of disturbances aimed directly at already waterlogged ground. This pattern raises the threat of localized flooding almost statewide, but the risk is especially serious in Northwest California, where a flood watch is in effect through the weekend, and in Southern California, where a level 2 out of 4 risk for flooding rain stretches from Los Angeles to Santa Barbara, meaning more roads, neighborhoods, and canyon communities could be hit by flash floods and debris flows. Colder air wrapping around these storms is dropping snow levels in the mountains, turning the Sierra Nevada into a battleground of heavy snow and strong winds. Ski resorts are likely to pick up more than a foot of new snow, with some higher elevations facing the possibility of 3 to 4 feet in just a few days, a setup that can transform scenic slopes into treacherous terrain. Recently, an avalanche at Mammoth Mountain killed a ski patroller and injured another after multiple feet of snow buried the range, a stark warning that every new burst of snow adds weight and instability to already overloaded slopes. For drivers, the combination of heavy rain in the lowlands and intense snow in the high country threatens key routes like Interstate 80 over Donner Pass, where blowing snow, icy pavement, and whiteout conditions could shut down travel or leave motorists stranded for hours. Behind these dramatic images of flooded city streets and snow-choked resorts lies a deeper climate story. California has always been a place of weather extremes, but warmer oceans and a changing atmosphere are helping to supercharge storms, loading them with more moisture and increasing the odds that a parade of systems like this will dump intense rain in short bursts, overwhelming infrastructure designed for a different era. As emergency alerts continue to buzz on phones and local officials plead with residents to avoid flooded roads, prepare for power outages, and stay tuned to evolving forecasts, millions of Californians are left balancing the hope for much-needed water with the fear that, over the next week, that water could arrive all at once, in ways that reshape landscapes, damage homes and businesses, and test the resilience of communities up and down the Golden State.